Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Please subscribe my channel before I will discuss my topic for today. Subscribe my channel, Emelinda Fogata channel. This video, I'm going to discuss about the destiny because I am a fortune teller, faith healer, and psychic consultant. Anybody want to know what is your destiny, you can consult me. I know how to read the palm line. I am a palm reader and a card reader, and also I am a faith healer. When you believe in God and you have sick, I can heal you, but you have to faith in God because you will be healed according your faith. Okay? Please subscribe my channel, Emelinda Fogata channel. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Please click the notification bell to notify every my new videos upload. Bye. Thank you.